Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your Apple ID has App Store credit, add funds, or redeem a gift card now. Once your balance shows the amount you need, open the Roblox app and sign into the exact account you want to fund. Make sure in settings you've allowed in-app purchases so the system will use Apple ID balance rather than external cards. This is the only reliable path on iOS, so don't skip verifying your currency and account before moving to purchase Robux or Premium. Now tap the Robux or Premium section inside Roblox. You'll see bundles and subscription tiers listed. Choose the exact bundle you want and press Buy, then the App Store payment dialog appears. Check that payment method shows your Apple ID balance. If it lists another card, tap Change Payment Method and pick the Apple ID balance to force using App Store money. Complete the confirmation. The purchase processes through Apple, and Robux or Premium credits will appear in your Roblox account shortly after. Finish by checking your Roblox inventory or Premium status for the credited Robux. Make sure the amount matches the receipt. If the App Store balance didn't appear as an option, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, sign back in, and retry the in-app purchase so the balance refreshes. If Apple charged you but Roblox didn't deliver currency, keep the receipt and contact Apple support first. They handle App Store transactions and can refund or correct charges, while Roblox can restore in-game items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.